Yo, what's good? Welcome to another video. Actually, welcome to, I guess, my first KeyBass journal or my second KeyBass journal. Um, anyway, this is just a little series where I'll be sharing stuff about my journey with the KeyBass and, getting acclimated with it. One of the things that I realized yesterday was the tyranny of choice. Everybody is familiar with the Daryl Freeman pack, which is dope, and there's another one called Funky Leads and Bass, which is also dope. But they have a lot of sounds in them, and a lot of those sounds ain't gonna get used. So, what I have found myself doing, which is natural, is doing a whole lot of fiddling and farting around with the sounds, and which is distracting from you know learning things like sound design on my own, and actually learning how to get get the stuff under my fingers, get my rhythm together and all that. So in my regular gig, I've only been using this on a handful of tunes, and I'm talking 3 or 4 tunes, and they all have similar sounds. So what I've decided to do is really kind of go not from scratch, but I'm gonna limit myself to having only like 3 or 4 sounds. That's what I'm gonna. That's what I'm just turning all this down. It won't matter in a second why I'm doing that. Because now I'm back. So in this screen here, this is a pack that I put together with kind of all of the some stuff from the Daryl Freeman pack and some stuff from the Serious Bass from the Funky Leads pack. But I'm gonna change that. So what I'm gonna do is in the components, I'm gonna create a bank that has no sounds in it, and I'm gonna send that over to the base station, essentially setting it up to where it's just got no real sounds in there, just the sine waves or the sawtooth. So, boom. Okay. I think I need to turn it off and on again. All right, so it's all initialized. Now, what I know that I like, the tune, the sounds that I dig, I'm gonna take. Both of these packs have some cool, like a cool 24 karat magic. I'm just gonna call this my pack and save that. But I like the one from Funky Leads and Bass a little bit more, to be honest. So let's see. I'll expand this. Let me open my pack so I see the Funky Leads, and I'm gonna put this 24 karat magic right there. And the reason I'm doing that is because from this sound, I can also craft a lot of the other sounds that I want. So I'm gonna put that there. What did I dig from? Oh, the Moog bass. I'm gonna put on 1 because I can kind of modify that as well. If I want to play around with that as a starting point, is what I'm talking about. Sorry, that camera shaking. I mean, you see all these tunes. All these patches. I want the PYT bass. I don't need any leads, so I ain't worrying about none of that. I'm not a keyboard player, you know. So let's stay on this page. Where's the Daryl Freeman pack? Okay, here it is. I did, and I do like his version of the 24 karat magic patch. But I like the other one better. So I'm gonna put that there. And I'll put this Moogie right here. So there's my challenge, is that I only have the 4 patches to choose from. So I'm going to save that, send that to the base station. There it is. So there's my that one is the first one. I think I can just move these as well. Let's see. I put them side by side. Let me send that to the base station. So I'll have both of those side by side, unless in case I want to switch. But the whole point is getting rid of that tyranny of choice. Yeah, one has a little bit more bite. And then 3, sorry, that would actually be, so 0 is the first 24 karat magic. The second one on 1 is the other 24 karat magic, and then the Moog. And it's got that already in there, so I can fool with that. 2 and then 3. And then 4. So I can modify. Those are good starting points for the basic stuff that I'm going to do anyway. So yeah, I just thought I would share that. Let me save that bank or that pack, so I could choose from that. I can just go from there. So I'll use these as a starting point for whatever else I want to try to do. But I just don't want to be bogged down, farting around with, 100 and something sounds and then losing focus on the other stuff that I really want to do. And I know as musicians, particularly bass players, because it's a bass channel, we sometimes do that. We get caught up in all the things and miss out on like the main thing. So that's my challenge to myself. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.